Hello, how you doing? What's up? I'm April, and today I'm going to be tattooing a flower design on fake skin using a 12-7 round liner. Don't mind the boxes in the background, I just moved into my new place. I'm gonna set this machine on 7. Boop, boop, boop. There you go. Lucky number 7 is supposed to be a good starting point for beginners. Time to set up the ink cups. Stick them on with the Vaseline. Well, wait a minute. Oh, this one is actually brand new. Haha. I actually don't want to use that one. Sorry. Let's use this cheap one I got from Amazon or Temu. I can't remember which one. But it'll work for practice. Don't recommend this working on the skin though. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Bloop, bloop, bloop. This will be an all black piece. No shading, no gray wash. I put the Vaseline on the side of my tattooing hand so I can move it smoothly so I can glide across the skin to make smoother lines. Well, let's get started. That blackout piece was a mistake, oops, but we're going to continue. I've learned that the way I am holding the tattoo machine is not the way to go. It's the way that beginners usually start out, like they're holding a pencil to the side, but you really have to angle it towards the line itself, and you either pull or push in the direction of the line because it makes smoother lines on real skin. For organic, like realism, most of the time you don't want super crisp, smooth outline. So for tattooing the edge of the leaves, it would be okay with the way I'm holding it. I have a lifetime of experience in drawing, but tattooing using a machine with a needle that vibrates onto a surface that you have to penetrate in order to get the image on there is very different, but it's fun. So my camera phone lost power because it's a cheap piece of stuff. But here's the finished tattoo, and I want to get the blue stencil off, and the only way I could find to do that is to put it in bleach for at least 12 hours. Some might take 24 hours, but this one only took 12, so that was cool. Now I gotta dry it off and then Vaseline it up to get that extra ink off, and then voila, all clean, no blue, except for a little tiny bit, but it's enough to let you see all the ink work. What do you think? It's not perfect, I know, but not too terrible. But practice makes better. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you learned anything. Let me know if you want to give me any tips in the comments. Check out the links in the description to support me. I would love that so much. Like and share, please. Okay? Thank you again. I hope you have a lovely day. See ya!